Well guys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today I'm going to show you live spike detector performance. So we are waiting for an arrow. Once an arrow appear, we'll open a trade and wait for 1, 2, 3 candles. Our stop loss will be 3 candles. So now it is time to wait for an arrow signal. And once the signal appear, we're gonna trade. Look here, here's the signal. And now it's time to open the trade. So now I'm going to place a trade on crush 300 with 5 lot size. You can open multiple lot size, multiple orders, any lot size. Okay, up to you. The stop loss all will be 3 candles on M1 time frame, M5 time frame is up to you. And now let me open one more deal on this and wait for the spike. So let's open one more trade, and now here one more trade executed. Now wait for spike. Look here guys, the spike appeared, and see what the profit we made from this account, from this trade. We're holding this trade till the market give us more spike, because I'm looking on dashboard which is giving us a signal, a confirmed sale. So after milking this spike, let's with the stop loss and break even in case if market come back, our position will be closed in profit. So this is $2,000 profit we made from the whole trend, whole downtrend, after holding this position for 1.5 hours. Look here, the indicators we're using in this system, and the live market. Look here, again spike,